In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in corporate bonds on Webull. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the app like you normally would, go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says menu. Afterwards, please go ahead and look for the section called shortcuts. You're then going to see this option that says more, and they're going to be like three dots on it, and you just want to go ahead and press on it. Afterwards, scroll down underneath this section that says trading, and then over here, you're going to see this option that says bonds, and you just want to go ahead and press on it just like this. From here, you guys are able to go ahead and invest both in treasury bonds or corporate bonds as well. So it's going to give you a little filter over here. So for this video, we're going to be primarily focusing on corporate bonds. So let's just go ahead and select on it. Then select on browse all just like so. Over here, it is then going to give you all of the different bonds and stuff like that. So from here, you're able to go ahead and find a bond and make sure you're 1000% sure that you are willing to invest in the bond. I want to reiterate that this video is not financial advice. The purpose of the video is to show you the actual mechanics on the app itself and what buttons to press and stuff like that. So let's just go ahead and select on this bond, for example, and then you want to go ahead and select over here where it says trade. Then you guys could either buy it right over here, and for the order type, it's actually going to give you limit. So this is the type of order that you need to do in order to invest in bonds. So it's not like buying a stock or anything like that where you could just like buy or something like that. You will need to put a limit. And just as a disclaimer, you may have to pay extra money up front, and that is called accrued interest. But do not worry, you get it back in future payments. And when it comes to bonds, the risk can vary a lot. So AAA bonds like AAA bonds, those are safer. However, they typically provide lower return. However, high yield bonds offer a higher return, but of course it is more risky. So there really is a trade-off, but this is where you go ahead and begin investing. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.